I'm sure that you guys have heard about the show called Shark Tank once before. So, in terms of its account, Shark Tank is a reality TV show in which entrepreneurs display their products to a group of experts called sharks in order to request funding from them. So, it's been on televisions since 2009 and has been shown in over 100 countries. So, in each episode, contestants introduce themselves and explain the pitch products or the service which they are seeking investment for. And the sharks then make offers on whether to invest or not with both cash and other resources, including help, on other offer if an agreement can be reached. Now, let's move on to the questions of how the funds are raised. So the funds totally comes from the sharks. In order for the candidates to go into business with them, they have to go through those steps. First, they will introduce the full functions of their products, including its operations, durations, and potentials. Second, they show their credibility by explaining their advertising campaigns. Next, they will ask they will be asked several questions from the sharks, including the expense of creating a single product, what will benefit them if they invest, and the total sale. The last and the most important thing is the deal. So take a vending machine deal by Van Gogh for example. So at first two sharks gave him an offer with $2 million for 7% interest and 6% equity. However, due to his circumstance, he could only agree if it was 7 interest and 2.5% equity. In the end, the deal came up to 7% interest and 3% equity, which is fair enough for both. So, going to the next point of what are the pros and cons of this method. So the advantages are that you can get a huge investment to expand your business into an industrial company covering the whole market sale. Moreover, you will have an opportunity to operate with experts who have been successful before and gain a great experience and knowledge from them. However, they still have some drawbacks since it is such a gamble if you go bankrupt and could not afford to pay the fund to the investors. And move to the final questions about recommendations. Although there are some advantages to this means, I still don't highly recommend for entrepreneurs to try their hand on this. It is down to the fact that their business has to be concrete and firm with a stable stocks in order to compensate for the loss in the bad case. And they have to be mature and experience the trial and error process several times to get used to the harassments of the economic market. So that's all I want to share about the funding from Shark Tank. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you love the video. What else do you want me to do? Please leave at the comments. See ya.